Mayong adlaw mga higala, it's Mitch again, and for today, since malapit na yung Pasko, we will be doing Christmas drip cake, okay? So, I think if you napanood niyo yung YouTube ko before, nagawa ko na yata si Swiss Meringue Buttercream. But, for now, we will be doing red, tapos may mga accent na pang Christmas, okay? And since Christmas, yan, suotin ko to. Wala akong choice, okay? So, in your, the recipe, I mean the ingredients, I'm sorry. Makikita nyo sa description down below, ha? But we have egg whites, butter, all-purpose cream, and chocolate para later sa ganache, and then granulated white sugar. In your bowl, mix in your sugar and your egg whites, okay? Tapos, boil water, and then, double boil nyo siya, okay? So, let's warm this one until ma-melt si sugar. Okay? Ayan. So, melted na si sugar. Transfer natin sa mixing bowl. And then, we will whip this one until medium stiff. Okay? So, once medium stiff, change tayo to paddle, ha? If you have KitchenAid or if you're using KitchenAid, change to paddle kasi para hindi madali maputol ko. Okay? But if you're using hand mixer, yun na yun. Huwag mo nang palitan. And then, slowly add your butter. Okay? Guys, after mga 5 minutes, I think, smooth na si Swiss Meringue Buttercream. Scrape natin yung sides, ha? And then, huwag nyo muna lagyan ng kulay. We will do the crumb coating sa cake. Okay? Ito muna na kulay. And then, after the crumb coating or the first coating, we will be adding red color. Okay? So, I baked the cake already yesterday. Kailangan yung cake mo is malamig na. For the chocolate cake recipe, please watch my Black Forest cake. Yung last week na video. Okay? So, ito yung recipe nun. Same recipe. Okay? Crumb coat muna tayo. Manipis lang, ha? Tapos, after crumb coating, we will chill this one for 15 minutes and then we will be coating again. Final coat natin is red na butter. Okay, chill. So, while chini-chill natin si cake, let's color the remaining buttercream ng red, okay? You can use gel color. I'm sorry about my packaging sa gel na butas. You can use gel color, but sometimes kasi hindi kaya ni gel alone. So, my technique is I'm adding red powder. See, matagal siya magkulay kung gel alone. But, if you will add red powder, I'm using number 40 na red. Yan. So, red na si buttercream. Pati yung kamay ko, red na rin. Okay? Scrape natin sa ilalim. So, let's make the ganache first while waiting for the cake na chinil natin. Okay? So, melt your white chocolate and then add your all-purpose cream. So, here's our white ganache. After na melt si chocolate, we added the cream. So, set aside natin ha, habang mainit pa. Let's proceed to the cake. So, once chill, lagay na natin ang second coat, which is your red na buttercream. Okay? Okay, so after the red color or second coating, let's chill this one for 10 minutes, okay? So, my chocolate ganache, I put it sa piping bag. Tapos, cut ka lang ng konti. Okay? And then, I have here some meringue kisses. For the recipe, please visit my YouTube na meringue kisses recipe. And then, I also have isomalt, sugar. Melt mo lang si isomalt and then lagay mo sa silpat. And then, you have your isomalt or sugar lollipops. Okay? Tapusin ko yung pag-decorate and then I'll show you after. Okay, there you go guys, our Christmas drip cake, okay? For the other recipes like fondant sa snowflakes, go to my fondant na video, okay? And then for the ganache, go to my ganache. For the meringue kisses, pinagsama-sama ko lang, okay? Merry Christmas everyone! Happy baking!